Hi guys, I'm Chef Rakhi Vaswani and today I'm here at Chitkara University. For me, it's especially a very proud moment. I'm honored and in fact very grateful to this university. I have kind of a personal relationship. It's like homecoming for me. It's like Ghar Vapsi, and my association with them have been from years now. It's been like I think right back in 2015 and 2016. A very big thank you to Mohit sir, Madhu ma'am and the entire team of Chitkara. Everyone from the academics, from the deans, from the principal, from the chefs have been amazing, and not to forget the most amazing students. It's been a pleasure working with them. I always love to come back, and like I said, I'm part of the team now. I feel like family, and we are here today for a culinary imaginative cooking program. This is a cooking program, an event organized with the help of US Cranberries. We wanted to showcase to the students with a host of, with a whole lot of chefs who are involved in it, a nice versatile range of the US Cranberries and how it can be incorporated because of its health reasons, because of its versatility, because of its nutrition, as well as a lot of other properties that it brings to the dish. Whether it's a kebab, whether it's desi, whether it's with desi, whether it's baking, whether it's cooking, whether it's your charts, whether it's your drinks, you can use it in just about everything. And this session is going to show you just that.